Hey, it's Tina B, and this is my very first freestyle rap in my 50 by 50 challenge, where I am turning 50 this year, and I want to get in 50 speaking engagements to let go of perfectionism and to tap into the practice of getting much more visible and comfortable with that, as well as confidence. So here we go. The word is voice. All right, so you can snap your fingers or put your hands together, get a rhythm here, okay? You got choice, share your voice. You got choice, share your voice. You got choice, share your voice. Tina B is here trying to make it clear. As you see right here, I need an ear, your ear, to know that you've got to go with what feels right and true. For you, ooh, you got choice. Share your voice, you got choice, ooh. Share your voice, ooh, you got choice. Share your voice, ooh, you got choice. Share your voice. When we get in there, we feel fear. When it becomes clear you don't know what to say, and that's okay. Use your sparkle, let it come out. Even if they feel a shout that you don't got it, but it isn't it, that you feel it come out from the heart. That is where you start, because you got a choice. Share your voice, you got a choice. Share your voice, you got a choice. Share your voice, take it from here. You can beware that it is clear we got things to share. Share. Tina B in the house, not being a mouse. That's true. So this is my first rap. I totally made that up on the fly. Put your comments in there. Let me know what you think and how you're going to share your voice. Woo! Drop the mic.